Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Hey guys, when you're on the job site, you may want to listen to tunes, but you need a really good speaker system. This system is made by BassBloom and it is awesome. This is the Roar 3. So whether you're on a job site or you're out camping or you're on the beach somewhere, this is a perfect system to be able to listen to your tunes. Now, this is a 20-watt system with a built-in battery pack on it that takes about 3 hours to charge, but it'll last up to 24 hours at 50% capacity, meaning that if I keep my volume at 50%, I can use this for 24 hours. Now, it is going to be, like I said, IPX6 rated, meaning that I can't submerge it in water, but if it gets splashed or it gets a little wet running in between the car and wherever I'm going, it's not going to hurt it. It has bass on actual both sides, which is really cool. And if you notice, it's got RGB colors all over it. Your controls are very simple to operate in the front, and it gives you a battery indicator light. Right now, I'm at 94%. Gives you a nice little wrist strap so I can carry it without dropping it. And it'll tie Bluetooth to things like your iPad. It does have the EQ on it so that I can equalize, and a cover at the bottom so that I can plug things in like USB-C, USB-A, and patch cords, the 3.5, and a memory card slot if I want to be able to play things that way. And from the cord, I can actually plug it directly into my iPad or my phone, and I can even Bluetooth this. And one of the things that it'll do is this will work as a portable battery. I can plug it in and I can charge devices with it as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use the iPad, and I'm going to play a couple of little tunes just a little bit so that you can hear the volume. Sounds really good. Move forward a little. See how the lights actually change. I don't know if you can see the bass moving. I mean, overall, guys, it's a fantastic sound. I love the lights. I love the portability. A great little speaker system. So if you're looking something, like I said, to carry to the beach, to carry to work, to carry to the gym, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this one. Do yourself a favor. Pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.